Hello everyone, this is Aida Kolami from Agrimet Research Company, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to freeze a row in Excel. So this is super simple and easy. I just show you how to do it. You just need to go to the View tab, and then in here you can see the Freeze Panes option. So if you click on that, there are three options which I will explain them. So the first one is Freeze Panes. So whenever you freeze panes, you need to select a row before that. So I want to select this row, and when I click on freeze panes, it will freeze to up to the previous row. So I go to freeze panes, and you can see up to row number 4 is freezed for me in here. The next option, if unfreeze it, the next function is freeze top row. So if you want to freeze a specific row in Excel, so let's say I want to freeze this. Let's say these numbers are very important for me. I highlight them and I want to see them in whole worksheet with me. So what I need to do is to whether go for selecting row number 9. Then I go to View and Freeze Panes so that I can have this row with me always. The other way is to go to Freeze Top Row. So this Freeze Top Row freezes the top row in the frame in your Excel. So if I'm in here, it will freeze this row for me. And if I'm in here, it freezes row number 7 for me. And if I go slightly down, so I want to come down a little bit. So here it freezes row number 8 for me. So let's go to freeze top row, and you can see the row number 8 is now freezed. So we can check it out several times. Let's say I want to freeze row number 25. I highlight it, and I need to fix this row as the top row of my frame. So then I go for View, Freeze Panes, Freeze Top Row, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.